The initiation into oneness back and Atmalinga is for all. There is no rule, there is no regulation, there is no commitment, there is nothing. It's for all. Only if you want to take Vishesha Diksha, second level Siva Diksha, where you want to worship every day, then you commit two things. Every day I do at least once the 7 minutes ritual, puja, and vegetarian lifestyle, nothing else. Yes. I can go on be attending to your questions even tomorrow, but if I miss initiation tonight, I will miss one night. One night of, see, with this oneness back, lot of healing will happen every dream and every deep sleep. Tremendous coming back to home, the real home will start happening in you now. That what you missed from the time you built the root pattern, before that root pattern, the space you are in will now become consciously start growing in you, regaining the original oneness.
Milk products you can consume if you are taking the right to worship initiation. I will call it Shiva Diksha level 2 going forward. So if you are taking the Shiva Diksha level 2 initiation, you can take milk and milk products. If they can eat bread which contains yeast.
Yeast is building muscle memory already. So because it has a muscle memory, it cannot be considered as vegetarian. I am not against yeast producing companies. It builds muscle memory. Seaweed, which builds muscle memory, which can move on its own, you can't eat. There are seaweeds which does not build muscle memory, which cannot move on its own. You can consume them. They are vegetarian. It all boils down to whether they build a muscle memory to retain the pain and suffering. That's all. It boils down to. That's a scale.
So if people have already taken the Vishesha Diksha, they will also be sitting in the first.
Actually, they can be sitting there also, no problem. You see, if you already taken Vishesha Diksha, you can sit anywhere because you are not going to. I think they can better sit here because they will not receive the puja kit once more. So you can come and sit with oneness group, means the people who are not going to take the Vishesha Diksha. You
Yes.
can keep all the deities and worship, no problem. There is no problem. Sadashiva does not claim exclusivity. Please understand, God is not one. God is oneness. Oneness is God, not one. One is too small definition for God. And all the religions which teaches God is one created the whole terrorism on the planet Earth. Religions which understands God is oneness brings tremendous peace on the planet Earth. God is oneness, not one. You can follow all whatever you are doing, no problem. Nothing is denied. No exclusivity. Agama does not claim any exclusivity. You can actually if somebody dies and during the death and all the time also, puja does not need to be stopped. Only when you leave the body, puja can be stopped. Till then, let puja continue. That's all. After you leave the body, you will be actually directly physically meeting him and doing puja directly.
Samji, the question is regarding smoking and alcohol.
Sadashiva does not specify that you can't smoke or have alcohol, even though I recommend, but the Agama is not specifying, so it's you choose, that's all. Agama does not specify, you can't smoke or you can't drink. In the alcohol they add yeast, then you can't drink because of yeast. That's all. So, expert opinions. Expert opinion says you cannot drink. Thank you. Opinion accepted. See, when it comes to these kind of things, I strictly follow Agama. I do not add my own things and I do not manipulate. I just give you what Sadashiva has said. If you ask me, I will say naturally, please don't drink, don't smoke. That will keep you healthy for a long time. Live long and see all my leelas. I am going to live in this planet Earth for quite a long time. Enjoy my leelas, live long. That's all I will tell. Now up to you then. Yes.
Swami, can we do puja like when from the oneness side? I'm not good taking the Shiva Diksha. So
Then see, when you are not taking Shiva Diksha, you can do whatever you want and you don't need to do whatever you want. No problem. It's your freedom.
and can we take Shiva Diksha in the future?
You can, naturally, surely. There's no such thing, you are banned from Shiva Diksha. No, 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 no. You are free to take when you want.
Thank you.
Guruji,
But if you take Shiva Diksha, you can't say, I will do mental puja. No. It has to be physical. Understand? Can you say, I'll mentally eat and keep quiet? Then you can do mental puja, enough. If you evolved that frequency, you do mental puja, no problem. As long as you are eating physically and dashing physically, you are expected to do puja physically.
Guruji, my question would be, let's say I take the Shiva Diksha and I'm invited to dinner at my friend's home and I tell them I'm vegetarian, I specify these are all,
Yes.
but I live in the United States and there are so many byproducts or products that involve other additives and I'm fed something that I didn't know what I'm eating.
One thing, US is the second largest vegetarian practicing country in the world now. So almost 47 million people in US are strict vegetarians. Please understand, I am talking about the statistics. 47 million, 4.7 crore people are vegetarians, and now enough of things have come and you have tons of option. You just need to put little attention. Do the attention and prevent it. If at all by mistake something has gone inside, then take Kadka Podi and clean it. Haritaki powder and clean it.
Should husband and wife both take the Diksha? If you want to take, but there is no requirement that if the husband takes, the wife has to take, or if the wife takes, the husband has to take. There is. Should both the prayer be done at the same time? No, there is no requirement like that.
And only one thing I wanted to add. Sadashiva says, if you take Vishesha Diksha, when you leave the body, I don't send my ambassadors to get your soul, I myself come. In Agama very clearly he commits, anybody takes Samaya Diksha, Shiva Ganas take you and lead you to Sadashiva. Like yesterday you have been brought with eyes tied. That is actually symbolic representation of your soul being brought after death. And you have been blessed. That's a symbolic representation. In Samaya Diksha, his ambassadors take you. After Vishesha Diksha, wherever you leave the body, he himself appears and takes you. So that one difference. No, I am not able to tell me.
If the non-veg is cooked in the house, there may not be separate vessels for that, but she will consume vegetarian food, but if somebody else cooks non-veg in the same vessel in her house.
Same vessel, no problem.
Okay.
But make sure bit is not left there and
Yeah.
then
Okay.
the vessel is washed enough.
If we go for yatra or pilgrimage or long travel,
we should not miss, even though.
Yes, yes.
You should
During
carry-
my whole Parivraj Yatra, I never missed a single day puja. That cannot be missed.
Yes.
Nityanandam Swamiji, I actually have a comment and a question. The comment is, I took Viseksha Diksha during Kumbh Mela, and I was told that we have to be extra careful with cheese because it has rennet in it, which is an animal
Ah,
product.
yes. You
So
should
this-
not be using animal product mixed milk products. Yes.
And my question for you is, because I already have my Atmalinga, does it already contain the oneness, or will you
No. Now you can have only oneness initiation. You don't need one more Atmalinga.
No, but will you energize the Atmalinga?
Yes,
Oh,
when you are coming for initiation, I'll energize.
okay, you can.
Swamiji, if we have some guests coming home who eat non-veg, then can we get non-veg from outside?
You can get non-veg from outside and tell them that I am poisoning you. I don't eat poison and I am poisoning you, that's all. What is there? What can be done about that?
Okay, thank you.
Daniel, you have a question about the Shiva Diksha?
But I tell you, see, when you believe something, let your guests feel this is your brand. Let people who belongs to you, your guest, your family, your teamily, let all of them know you stand for certain ideas.
That's what I'm going to do, Swamiji. Yeah,
That's right.
thank you.
Swamiji, I got
Yes.
my Atmalingua from you in Cambodia, but I lost it like 2 days before I came here. What should I do?
Nothing can be done. Nothing can be done.
Okay.
Because Agama does not allow second Atmalinga. So as I said, I'll keep it down, you take it. I cannot give.
Okay.
Nityanandam Swamiji, I actually have two questions. One is that if you already have an Atmalinga, will you be receiving a second
No,
one
you
with
will
the
not be
initiation?
receiving second. No.
Okay, and also if you are a kid receiving an Atmalinga, do you take it to you to school?
You can take it to your school and you can use this like a Harry Potter. You can do everything you want.
Okay,
If you
thank
did not
so
do the homework, just tell the Atmalinga, the teacher will not come that day to school.
Okay. Thank you, Swamiji.
I have done all this. No, my friends will come and tell, Swami, today I did not do my maths record work and did not do my maths homework. I said, come on, don't worry. Maths teacher, diarrhea, tongue. He will not come that day. Actually, so many of my classmates, I have so many items I materialized and gave in those days. I used to be like a empowered but not responsible kid. Even for ordinary things like a chocolate, I'll materialize and give. Only now I have become very responsible. And I am empowering my kids to do all that.
Nityanandam Swamiji, can we use silk fur or wool?
Ma.
Can we use silk clothes, fur or wool?
The Agama does not ban silk clothes.
Okay, thank you Swamiji.
Nityanandam Swamiji, can I get another puja kit? Because I was
that
missing
can-
some.
Puja kit, you
Yeah.
can get even 100 kits.
Yeah, because
and one
I-
more thing,
yeah.
Sadashiva gives instructions to me, means the Acharya who is initiating, he is given instruction, for your lifelong I have to supply all the puja material you need.
Okay, so can I sit
It's
with
my
the-
responsibility, you
Okay.
can take the second set.
So I can
and even
sit-
if you lose it or break it, please do not buy, I am supposed to supply. You just write it to Ashram and we will give you whatever is required, whatever you need.
Okay.
Please understand, Sadashiva gives instruction to Acharya, even if I have to beg and attend to all your spiritual needs. All your spiritual need, I am supposed to be attending. So,
Can I sit with the Vishesha Disha people?
yes, you can sit
Yeah,
there
thank you.
and receive one more kit. Only Atmalinga you cannot receive second, but all the puja items, kit, anything you want, you can have second or third or fourth, even 100 sets. And whatever you want, I have to give. It's an instruction for me from Sadashiva. He gives instruction for both Acharya and for the person who receives initiation, for both. And he gives very clear instruction about every step what I am supposed to be wearing. I don't know whether you observed yesterday. I was wearing so much of gold in the hip, big. All that is clear instruction given. I am supposed to wear diamond on the navel and this many Rudrakshas ear. All that. There is a clear instruction. So, it is done as per Agama without compromising. How many of you observed that big, the golden thing I was wearing? It was almost 1 kg gold. 1 kg gold and diamond. Diamond I think not, diamond is very less, but gold is 1 kg.
Swamiji, one more question. Do we have to follow Sattvic diet?
If you take the Visesha Diksha, only no non-veg, there is no other Sattvic diet instruction.
Okay.
Only no non-veg, that's all.
Thank you.
You can have onion, green chili, garlic, that and all, nothing. It doesn't, there is no instruction not to have all that. And you will be surprised, Sadashiva speaks of 11 types of hot chocolate in Agama. Hot chocolate and coffee is directly spoken by Sadashiva, it is favorite drink of Sadashiva. Only thing, still I have not translated or decoded the method of organic extraction. He gives a very organic, systematic way of extracting chocolate. And still I have not decoded that. Otherwise he talks about multiple varieties of chocolate and hot chocolate and coffee. Yes, go ahead.
Swamiji, if we can do more than one time of the puja, like
Yes. You can do up to 6 times. It's up to you. For example, today you have time, you want to do 6 times. But tomorrow you can do only 1 time. That is also okay. But once in 24 hours is compulsory.
Middle of the night, in the midnight?
Yes, any time.
Okay.
The Nitya Puja has no time. Only once if you are doing, no time limitation. Only if you want to do 3-4 times, then you can plan as per your calendar.
Okay, another question is, if we do this puja, you don't really have to do any other yoga practice or anything. This is equal to...
I'll tell you, a very powerful feeling connection. This 7 minutes is enough to awaken your Kundalini, tune body. Nothing else is required.
Okay.
Nothing else is required. I tell you, in my life, the largest spiritual practice, greatest spiritual practice, longest spiritual practice I have done is puja.